So selection screen can be created by using two keywords. Only two keywords only will be using to create a big selection screen or even for small selection screen also. Parameters and select options. Okay. So now we will see the parameters. Select options we will see later on. How the parameters can be used. Parameters. Okay. Chain operator. Two parameters I'm going to use. P. It's a user defined name. I'm going to use as per the naming standards. P value 1 type I. And then P value 2 type I. That's it. With this, I'll get a selection screen. What I do, you just go and execute it. You can see the selection screen. See. So this is the selection screen. Here you can provide the values, whatever the values you wanted. 200. Okay. So now to execute the program, rest of the statement will be executing. Okay. So now what I should do, the user whatever provided the value, that should be assigned here. Where that will be stored in value 1 and P value 2. Clear? So now this program become a dynamic program. So whenever you execute, whichever input you are giving, for those two numbers, it will give summation. Okay, I will give something called 250. I have some big number I will provide. I have something. Okay. Now just see summation. What is this? This is okay. So come back and change another value. Okay. I will delete it. Okay, this is how parameter can be used. See, this is here. The variables are, as it is. We are seeing. Okay, we can label it with our own, labels. How we can do that labeling? Please note it down. That navigation. Go to menu and click on text elements, and then click on selection text. Here we will provide kind of a enter value 1 or something. Okay. Some text, meaningful text. Enter value 2. Just save it back to here. Go back. Okay. So now, if you see that labels, I got it. Now you just type it. The big number. Just type. Summation, you got it. Clear? How to